And then last but not least, I always like to have new stock around. New stock is a sulfur compound, and it is really good. Horses are like kids. They're gonna get nicked up. They're gonna scrape themselves, rub on the fence, rub their butt on the fence. This is great for creating new hair growth. So anytime that they get a little hair patch missing on their knee, on their back, they get bit by another horse, they have teeth marks, anywhere the hair is not existent, you put this stuff on it, it stinks, it works awesome. So if your horse has any burns, if they rub themselves on the fence, if they have a scrape, we love to put the new stock on, and you'll see that hair growing back. And for the most part, that hair is going to grow back in the same color. It's not going to be faded or white.